Welcome business networkers and business leaders to AI Audibles. Now, AI Audibles are actually multi-purpose, multimedia, so that you can communicate on YouTube or directly through outreach business networking to help transform business networkers by driving traffic to a landing page. That's a great strategy to build authority and generate business. Here are some tips. Create a series of AI audibles, audios, videos, and text, covering such topics as how AI audibles is revolutionizing networking. You can craft your own AI outreach. Repurpose audibles into YouTube tutorials, just like this. Optimize each video title, description, tags for searchability around business networking with AI. This will help them to get discovered on YouTube. On your website, create a landing page that introduces people to the power of AI audibles for networking and content creation. These are your own AI audibles. Now, include links to your best YouTube tutorial videos. Promote the landing page in your email signatures, social media profiles, sales presentations, running ads. That's also an option. On your YouTube channel itself, your playlist, your AI Audible videos, you can explain the benefits of working with you. You can also include calls to action at the end of each video to visit your landing page for more information. Repeat your channel name and focus. Now, by funneling interest from your YouTube channel to your landing page, and also from your landing page to your YouTube channel, you are developing fans into leads. The AI videos establish your expertise, while the landing page captures contacts for your business. This leverages multi-purpose, multimedia content to grow relationships, revenues, and results, and simultaneously let them know who you are so that you can get more referrals. Let me know if you need other tips. Thanks. I'm Mike Hayes, creator of AI Audibles and AI Business Networking. Thanks for joining me.